Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do medical transcription step by step. First, understand that medical transcription involves converting dictated audio recordings from healthcare professionals into written reports. This crucial role requires precision and a strong grasp of medical language. We'll cover the foundational knowledge, necessary skills, and the typical workflow involved in this detailed process. To excel, you'll need excellent listening skills and a typing speed of at least 60 words per minute. A deep understanding of medical terminology, anatomy, and pharmacology is also vital. Many pursue formal training through accredited programs, which often lead to certification. This specialized education provides the comprehensive knowledge needed to accurately transcribe complex medical dictations. Your essential tools include a comfortable headset, a foot pedal for audio control, and specialized transcription software. The workflow typically involves receiving audio files, listening intently, and typing the content into a structured report. After transcription, meticulous proofreading is critical to catch any errors in grammar, spelling, or medical terms, ensuring the final document is flawless. Medical transcription offers diverse career paths, from working in hospitals and clinics to enjoying the flexibility of remote work. Specializing in areas like pathology or radiology can increase your earning potential significantly. Continuous learning and staying updated with healthcare regulations are key for long-term success. Also, if you're looking to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.